Hello guys, good evening. This is my day with Catsmania.mylove. Today here in Malaysia is Sunday in the evening, so my work end early so I can manage home early. So as you can see now, a lot of cats over here in our small tiny apartment. So this time I'm going to give him them wet mackerel. They really love it. So when I'm going to click it, they start to get wild. Wait fast. Wait. Oh my god, I can't open it. Okay. Slowly. So on this type of food, I'm going to feed them in the round plate so they can share together. Okay, here we go. Slowly. Don't fight. Okay. There is another plate here. So this time, you all can see all my cats eat together. Wait, Snapper. And I still have one inside the cage because I cannot mix him with the rest of the group because he's not neutered yet, so they will fight like there's no tomorrow. So I keep him in the cage for the time being. Are you all very hungry? Okay. Bam, you have to like this so that the rest also can. Okay. Share the food together. Seb. Give space to Seb race. Okay, Princess Miho. Why you are not eating, Princess? This is a fresh mackerel. This one is, they love the Purina brand because it's very creamy and it's not dry, so they like it very much. So once a while, mostly Sunday, I'm feeding them with a wet tuna or a wet mackerel as a treat for them. Are you done now? Are you done? Okay, share together. Can I take the one plate out? Okay, share together. I'm going to give food to the sniper. You are not eating the baby. Okay. Seb, come in here, Seb. So on my next video, I'm going to tell you what is the history of all my cats because they came from the street. I rescued them all, so they have their own story to tell also. And this is Yumi, the big one. He was the first I rescued and he's with me for 11 years and counting now. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of myself. I am living alone with this apartment, and this is my family, my cats. They are my emotional support when I need someone to talk to, when I have a rough day, are here to comfort me. So this is the good thing when you have a pet. It's really, really very helpful when you have a rough day from work, very stressed. So when you reach home, you forget all of that because of them. Slowly, slowly, not in a hurry. Not in a hurry. Masha, why you are not eating, Masha? You eat now. You eat now. So this is how I feed them. At the same time, I also do the cuddling, massaging a little bit, because they really like me to massage him on the back also. Okay, like that, while they are eating. Actually, I cannot really feed them luxury. I cannot feed them, feed them an expensive one, because I cannot afford it. I can promise them, I can give them care and attention, love they deserve. Because they came from the wild, they came from the street, and I know how scary world out there. So it takes me for how many years to adjust their behavior before I can feed them like now, because they are very frightened and scared. They're really scared with people. There is someone still in the spoon. So this is my life. When I reach home, look after them, take care of them, and we only see each other night. Because I finish work, I reach home night, and I leave very early in the morning. So basically, they are only whole day in the house. That's why they really want my attention when I came home. They keep jumping around, they keep shouting, you know. You all have to finish this so that I can wash the plate. Okay. See you in my next video, guys. I hope you enjoy it. Okay, I have a Santa over here visiting me today. So this is my Christmas light. I can only have this for now, because if I put a Christmas tree, these 9 kites of mine won't sleep the whole day and night. They are very now. They are full already. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye-bye.